All right, afternoon, everybody. uh, so I went ahead and took it apart. I couldn't resist. So we're about 18, a little under actually, because the insulation about 7 was what I initially guessed. It was about 7. Sorry about that. Yeah, 7. So coil is pretty small too. And they glued it. So I don't know why it was leaking in, other than maybe those hoses were pinched. Because I tried to unkink. Look at this. That's the drain hose they did. And I don't know if there's a pump, and they're pumping it in back into the case, into this, because it is supposed to be sealed. I don't know if I trust that. I'll probably put my own stuff. It does have a little barrier. I just don't know if it's good all the way through there. I mean, let's look in there. Yeah, looks pretty good. It probably won't leak. I don't see any else problems. Now, it is tilted a little bit. There's a few things I could do about that. I could level it. I could make some shims if I wanted to do that. Just a spacer on the roof. It actually isn't a bad idea because I have a big piece of foam. Yeah, it's not that big actually. I could do it with foam, or I could do it with yeah, if I make the pad thicker, I could tighten one side down, that'd level it, but get like a 1-inch pad or 2-inch, inch and a half. You could get a foam. I could get a foam pad that's similar to this but soft. Get the softer, like this. This is very soft. It would squeeze down nice with some bolts. Or I was thinking maybe I could. I don't know. It sucks because it's gonna be hard to get inside because of the way it looks like it's put together. Yeah, this is the side. I know it's dirty. It picks up everything it can, and I think it may have... Oh, no, that's part of my roof. It's not sticky, but it is a nice pad, man. This should seal all the water out, no matter what your roof looks like, as long as you pull it down. So it was surprising that it leaks so much right here. It was leaking a ton of water, right? It was like basically straight out of the coil. So, man, that's a crap design if you think about it. I got to see what's going on, but it's hard to see in there. Let's see if the light will help. Yeah, you can't really see crap. Oh, there's the little baby blower. See a little bit in there, but I'll have to try to get in. Maybe those brackets, maybe the coil is flexible. It's not too heavy. It's probably about 70 pounds. And it's got a heater in there. It's got a little... It draws 40 amps at 24 volts. It was actually the total wattage that I was getting at the battery was 1,004 with the heat. So anyway, yep, I'm gonna look at it a little more off camera because can't really dig into it. It is, I believe it's charged, yes, because I didn't do anything. I didn't recover it yet. I need to recover it because it's good R124. I mean R134A. And then I want to put the same propane, 95.5, the propane mix in it. And then, I don't know, I'm going to see what I can do to improve it. If anything, I don't really see much. They just put, this is like a really compact package. So that's why the efficiency sucks. That's why. Because they basically tried to put everything all in one. And that's what every RV air conditioner is. So overall, it's still a 2 or a 3, except for the water, man. That really ticked me off. I don't know what this hose business is, why they routed it up here. It's probably so it can help cool this coil, maybe. But, so they have to have a pump. And then the hose can't be kinked, so I'm going to have to get a better hose, apparently. That may be all I have to do, if I can confirm there's a pump. So, this should be it for now. Hope y'all... We're getting some use out of this. I know some of y'all probably are watching this very closely because you might be thinking about buying one, or you may have already bought one and you're like, ugh, I mean, it is kind of rough. And then you realize the red one's like way cheaper, and then it's better air conditioner, and all you really needed was air anyway, and then it's like, ugh. But not to fear, we can bring the efficiency up with the 95.5. And by the way, that it's pre-mixed. They sell it, and they don't advertise what the mix is. I just cross-reference it with Grok, and they said based on what the data they do give, that's what it very likely is. So I just assume so, because isobutane has very particular properties that help in the situation with that 5, even that just that 5%, but it's still primarily propane. that I'm replacing, and it's a direct swap. Like you don't want to use like propane in the bottle. You're gonna get the R290, and then this is R290, R600. R600 isobutane's usually for much smaller refrigeration systems. So anyway, yeah, it's like a relay. All right, peace.